Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today we'll be recreating another Blackpink member, Jisoo. This is what it looks like. And yeah, I'm excited for this one. So yeah, let's get to it.
Hit you with that
So first, we will be doing the foundation and we'll be using this one. As usual, we're just gonna put it on my finger so it's easier. So we're gonna be using a sponge to blend it all in. And just blending that all in. I'm just gonna do it with my fingers first and then just blend it with a sponge. Okay, I think I'm pretty much finished. So yeah, now that that's done, I think we're gonna put some of the powder all over my face before we do the eyeshadow. So yeah. Okay, I think I'm done now. So now that we're done with that, finished with that. Now we're gonna be finally doing that eyeshadow. Now, yeah. So her eyeshadow is a little bluish kind of color, so we're just gonna be using that. We're gonna be using this colorful palette here. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna be looking at the colors as I go. This is the color. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply this on my eyelid. Let's just do that. So okay, I think I'm finished for the first eye, I think. So now we're just gonna do the other eye. Okay, I think this is pretty good. I think that is good. So now we're gonna be doing another color because it looks kind of brownish, I think. So we're gonna be using another color. Well, a little sparkle, I think. I'm gonna be using this nice palette here. So yeah, both of them I think will match it. So just gonna put that on my eye. Just see what color it's gonna be. I think that's a nice color. Okay. So now we're just gonna be applying it. And then now we're just gonna be doing the other eye. And then we're just gonna do a little bit on the bottom also. And then also on the inner of my eye. Also on the other side. Yeah, I think that's the eyeshadow. So now we're gonna be doing the eyeliner. So yeah, so I have a makeup artist that's gonna be helping me today with the eyeliner because I'm not that very good at it. So yeah, so I'm just gonna be introducing you to my makeup artist, Ari. So yeah, she's just gonna be doing my eyeliner. Okay, so now we're done the eyeshadow and eyeliner, and yeah, we will be moving on to the lipstick, and we will be using a pinkish kind of color, and then we're gonna coat it with lip gloss. Yeah, so yeah, I'm just gonna be using a brush to apply it on, and yeah. So yeah, this is the color that I was talking about. So yeah, and I'm going to be using this brush. Just apply it on. Okay, so we're done the lipstick, so now we're just going to add a little bit of lip gloss to it. So yeah, I think it's gonna turn out very well. Yeah, I'm just gonna use the brush again. Okay, I think that's good now. We forgot to add mascara, so we're just gonna do that right now. So I'm just gonna be using this mirror. So I'm done the first eye, I'm gonna do the other eye. Okay, I think I'm done the mascara. So yeah, I'm done the mascara. So now that I'm done the mascara, we're just gonna be writing the XO on my right cheek, I think. We're just gonna be using eyeliner. Hopefully this goes up well. I messed up. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna ask the makeup artist to do that because, yeah, I messed up. So, can you fix it? Okay, so my makeup artist, Ari, has done the OX. Yeah, and I think we are done. And yeah, I really, really, really like it. Okay, so now we're done the makeup look. Do I look like Jisoo? If you want to see more of these videos, make sure to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye!